Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we'll be looking at how to back up and restore your information. It is very important to make sure you are keeping regular backups. You may need these in case your computer or laptop becomes damaged, and in some cases where you've made major errors when you've input information. It's important to stress that customers who have opted for our online databases that this is not relevant. If I begin by choosing the database option at the top of this screen, there are various options in the drop-down menu. The three options that we will go through are backup, business transfer and database only. Backup is where all of the business and associated data will be backed up. Business transfer is where the active business and associated data will be backed up, and database only is just the database for the active business. If you're transferring a single business to another computer, then the best option would be to either use business transfer or database only. So if we choose backup, you will see there are three backup types. External storage. This is where you would use a USB pen or drive to back up your information. This is the method that we would recommend in most cases. Although it's an obvious thing to say, but it is important that you keep your USB pen or drive away from your laptop and you keep it in a safe place. If your laptop is stolen with either of the attached still in, you'll then lose all of that information together. You can choose folder location. This is where you can choose somewhere specific on your computer or laptop to store the backup. The last option is the troubleshooting server. You should only use this if you have been directed to do so by support personnel at Farm Matters, as these backups are deleted periodically. You can edit the settings by using the cog highlighted in the bottom left hand side. You can use the tick boxes to include what you do or do not want to include in your backups, and then click Save to save this information. To do a backup with external storage, all you do is make sure your device is plugged in, use the drop-down menu to choose which device it is, and then simply click on the icon. You will see this will then start the backup, and then you will be taken to this green screen, which means your backup has been completed successfully. To restore a backup, we once again need to go to the database at the top of the screen and then choose Restore Backup. This will bring up this box where you need to input the security code above and then click Continue. We can then choose Backup File and then navigate to the location. We then choose the file and click Open, and as you can see, the restore has been completed successfully. Hopefully, some of the things you've watched will help you maximize your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.